Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I talk about many different ways to make money online. I upload a new video every single week, so make sure to subscribe not to miss any new opportunities. Today I will show you my earnings on Swagbucks for the whole month of February 2021. I've done similar videos in the past couple months to show you that Swagbucks still works and pays you every single month. In this video, I will also play one of their free games where you can earn up to 10 points every day, and I will also request a €50 payment, which is currently worth about $60. For those who find out about Swagbucks for the first time, it's a website where you can make money by completing many different kinds of tasks, including surveys, daily polls, bonuses when reaching your daily goal, using their search engine, playing games, and much more. So every day, I start by completing my daily poll to earn 1 point. Your answer doesn't matter, you will earn 1 point whatever you answer there. Then I click on the search button, as you can earn a few points that way. I didn't earn any points today, but I will show you later that I do earn points a few times a month by doing that. Make sure you refresh the page if you don't see your points added up on the top right corner. Then I go to facebook.com/swagbucksuk to find a swag code. This page is for those who live in the UK and Ireland. I will put the links in the description of the Swagbucks page of a few other countries. So if I copy this code into swag code, I will earn 2 points. So I've now earned 3 points. As I said in my previous video about my January earnings, I know that 3 cents is not much, but as you can see, it only takes a few seconds each day. I also have a Swagger board activated. This is basically a list of tasks to complete to earn a bonus of up to 300 points. This Swagger board is available to everyone at least once or twice a month. This board is sometimes very hard to complete. My only option right now is to redeem 15 points, but I will request a payment as I have a lot of points. So the redeem USB for a gift card will be unlocked and I will be able to redeem 30 points instead. So I will just click on this section to redeem my €50 to my PayPal account. And also like last month, I have another Swag Up activated, which means 100 Swagbucks points will be deducted from my payment request. So I will claim a gift card and confirm. I just need to enter my security question and submit. I will show you this verification email in a minute, but I've requested many payments before from Swagbucks, so I know that there is nothing to do from my end, as it's just a PayPal transfer. Back to the Swagger board, I can finally redeem 30 points. I will just hit submit and confirm. And now 30 points have been added to my account. So if I refresh again, I can see an extra 30 points on the top right corner. So I've now earned 33 points today so far. Another thing I wanted to show you quickly is the play section where you can earn up to 10 points every day by playing short games. This Pyramid Solitaire is the one I play most often. If you don't know this game, it's quite simple. You just need to select 2 cards and make up the number 13 to make them disappear. For example, the Queen and Ace are worth 13. The King is also worth 13, then 4 and 9 are worth 13. I will fast forward this part a bit and show you that no matter if you win or lose, you will earn 2 points each time you play 2 games. So I won this game but didn't earn any points, and this is normal. I will now play again and fast forward the video again. As you can see, I lost this game but earned 2 points. So if you play this card game 20 times for example, you will earn 10 points every day. It's not much, but it's just for playing cards, and that can add up to 300 points at the end of the month. Now I will show you all my earnings from this month. To do so, just go on the top right corner and click on Activity. I will now select Answer, aka Surveys, and select the whole month of February 2021. So I have earned 1,120 points this month completing surveys. In the bonus section, I earned 269 points. That includes the Swagger board I just completed, the swag code I completed at the beginning of the video, and the daily poll. In the play section, I earned 40 points. That includes the 2 points I just earned playing the game I showed you. And in the search section, I earned 30 points. This is simply by clicking on the search button like I did at the beginning of the video. I didn't earn any points that way today, but as you can see, I earned between 5 to 13 points 4 times this month. If you actively use their search engine on a daily basis, you should earn more than that. So now I will show you the email I received from Swagbucks about my payment request. You can see the order has been verified and that they are now processing it. What they say here is not true because there are no instructions needed for PayPal transfers with Swagbucks. I will now pause this video and come back once I receive the money to my PayPal account. I am now back and received this email from PayPal confirming my €50 have been transferred. As you can see, it only took 2 days, as I started making this video on February 28th. I will now sign in to my PayPal account to show you that it's been transferred. And there it is, another reward from Swagbucks. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, or if you would like me to test any other apps or websites, so I can test them and make a video about them. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you next week for another video.